The story of our planet begins not with the sky above, but with the fire below. Far beneath the continents, deeper than any ocean trench, lies a vast ocean of molten metal, the outer core. It churns and swirls like a living heart, made of liquid iron and nickel. And from that motion rises something invisible, yet vital to life itself, Earth's magnetic field. For millions of years, it has been our silent guardian. It deflects solar wind, protects our atmosphere, and allows life to thrive. Without it, the sun's radiation would strip Earth bare, turning oceans to vapor and skies to fire. But, even shields can falter. In 2019, scientists noticed something strange. Magnetic north, once a slow wanderer moving a few kilometers a year, began sprinting. It raced from Canada toward Siberia at almost 50 kilometers per year. It was as if our planet's compass had lost its way. At first, it seemed harmless. But the deeper scientists looked, the stranger it became. Satellites orbiting Earth, like ESA's Swarm constellation, revealed that the magnetic field isn't just moving, it's weakening. In some regions, particularly over the South Atlantic, the field is nearly 10% weaker than it was a century ago. This zone, known as the South Atlantic Anomaly, stretches from South America to Africa. Within it, satellites glitch, cosmic rays seep through, and spacecraft electronics falter. It's as if the magnetic shield there has grown thin, a tear in Earth's invisible armor. Scientists began searching for answers in the past, in ancient lava flows frozen into stone. When molten rock cools, it locks in the direction of Earth's magnetic field like a time capsule. By studying these magnetic signatures, geologists have discovered that Earth's poles have flipped, many times, roughly every 300,000 to 800,000 years. North becomes south, and south becomes north. The last full reversal, the Bruns-Machiyama event, happened about 780,000 years ago. Which means, we're overdue, but a reversal isn't like flipping a switch. It's a slow, chaotic ballet that unfolds over thousands of years. The field weakens, fragments, and new poles can appear, sometimes several at once, before settling into their new orientation. During this time, Earth's protection wavers. Cosmic radiation increases. Aurorae may dance across skies in unexpected places, even near the equator, yet, humanity has never witnessed one. We only read its traces in stone. As we watch the field weaken today, the question rises, are we standing at the edge of another great flip? Or is this just a passing tremor in Earth's deep magnetic heart? For now, the data offers whispers, not answers, but every whisper tells the same thing: the shield is changing, and when our planet's own compass begins to spin, we realize something profound. Even the ground beneath us is never truly still. If this field, our protector, our unseen force, can reverse, what does that say about permanence? About change? About life itself, adapting in a universe that never stands still? Stay with us, because the story of the poles is just beginning. Imagine a future Earth where compasses spin wildly, where auroras paint the skies of Africa and India, and satellites struggle to stay alive. This isn't science fiction, it's what happens during a magnetic reversal. In labs around the world, researchers recreate miniature Earths in vats of molten sodium, spinning and stirring to simulate the core's flow. What they've learned is astonishing. Magnetic reversals don't begin with chaos, they begin with stillness. When the convection currents inside Earth's outer core slow down or shift direction, the magnetic field above weakens. Then, like a heartbeat skipping a rhythm, it reorganizes itself, sometimes splitting into multiple poles scattered across the planet. During this time, parts of the world could lose their magnetic protection. Radiation exposure increases, animals that rely on magnetic navigation, birds, whales, even sea turtles, could lose their way. Power grids and satellites would face new challenges, but life would go on. because reversals are not apocalypses, they're renewals. Earth has flipped its poles hundreds of times and life has endured every one of them. The danger isn't destruction, it's adaptation. And hidden within this process lies something deeply poetic, a reminder that even the most stable forces in the universe, even the very magnetism that guides our compasses, are capable of transformation. The data shows that the magnetic field has weakened about 9% in the last 170 years. That might sound alarming, but it also means the process takes thousands of years. If we are heading toward a reversal, it won't happen in our lifetimes, but our descendants may witness a world with multiple North Poles, strange lights in unfamiliar skies, and technology adapting to an ancient rhythm of nature. It's a humbling truth. We are passengers on a living world, powered by forces we barely understand. Every time the field shifts, it writes a new chapter in Earth's magnetic memory, one that connects every generation that has ever looked up at the night sky and wondered how our world keeps its balance. And so, as we watch the slow dance of our planet's magnetic heart, we're reminded that change is the only constant, even for a planet that feels eternal beneath our feet. If you felt this journey through time and magnetism, subscribe to Beyond Universe Show, because the story of our planet doesn't end here, it's only turning toward a new north.